Happy summer, friends! We're here in Carroll Gardens, Brooklyn at one of our latest projects that we've been updating you on called 𝘽𝙊𝙔𝙎.
So this is vlog number 4 and we're gonna take you inside. You're not gonna believe all the incredible progress. This project is almost finished.
Let's get inside, show you around. We gotta get the homeowners in here. So we might only have a couple more vlogs left. Let's head inside. Starting right here at the vestibule, you will notice transformation. First, we have stripped the original vestibule door. We're gonna paint it a really beautiful black color and replace the glass here. But this is the first transformation as you come right inside this house.
So the next thing that you'll notice as soon as you come in are these beautiful arches. There's one here and there's one on this side of the room as well. And these are 3-point arches, so they're a little flatter. They're not like a half circle, which is really beautiful and graceful, but also it just makes it easier to make a bigger opening here.
If you went back and watched our vlog videos, you'll notice that this house was kind of lacking that original historical charm. So we really wanted to bring that in there, and creating these arches really helped kind of set the mood.
Another thing that we did to bring in some historic charm is to put up this picture frame molding that you'll see all around the room. This is a really quick and easy way to bring in a lot of character. It's very beautiful. It takes a lot of planning to plan it all out, make sure it's spaced evenly. Once we paint it, it's going to be gorgeous.
We went back and forth with the clients on a bunch of renderings, but this was the layout that felt right with this space. This is one of the smaller brownstones that we worked on, and because of that, we wanted to make it feel very homey, very lived in, and I just think talk about a change. This room has transformed completely just with this molding, and it hasn't even gone through the painting stage.
And if you look at the ceiling, we also have moldings going in there. So first of all, we have crown molding that we put in. Believe it or not, this crown molding is not plaster. It looks like it is. It looks just like a plaster molding that would be originally in a brownstone, but this is a resin molding. So it's really lightweight. It's very easy to install. It installs just like wood, but it looks a lot better than wood. And then you'll also see that we're putting up this picture frame around the inside of the crown molding as well, just to add another layer of detail.
So one of the things that is currently being worked on right now are the original shutters and this wood trim over here. It's going to be so stunning, but I really think that the wood tone of this window frame here is going to complement the new hardwood floors.
So welcome to the kitchen. This kitchen is gorgeous. First of all, it is huge. It goes all the way across the back of the building here. And we were just talking about how this is gotta be the biggest island that we've ever done. It is massive.
We're not complaining about it.
It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. So we have this beautiful oak color on one side of the room. The island is gonna be all in oak, and then there is kind of like an off-white color. We brought the arches into this room as well. We have this beautiful arch here, and what's really cool about this is all gonna be clad in marble. So you're gonna see this beautiful, dramatic, veiny marble all across the island here, and then up the backsplash and even onto the hood.
I think that this kitchen is not only one of the largest that we've done, but it's probably also one of the smartest kitchens we've done because of all of the storage here. Barry and I lack storage at our own house, and this has me very jealous, but I think it's just such a smart design with these gorgeous, tall, floor-to-ceiling pantry storage spaces that they can store not only coats and everything, but they also have additional pantry from the kitchen for everything they can't get over on the functional side.
And then of course we have a fireplace in this kitchen because this is a brownstone, and what a gorgeous feature to have in the kitchen. And then the most gorgeous thing in this house are these beautiful French windows that you see here in the back that open up to the backyard, and they open up to these little French balconies.
Yeah, this balcony just makes me think I'm in Paris right now, wishing I had a croissant or a pain de chocolat. But it's just really, it's really beautiful. I mean, we're in the middle of summer. It's hot and it feels nice and cool in here, which is really nice, just leaving these French doors open. Let's head upstairs. So we're now here up on the second floor, and something you might have noticed as we came up the stairs is the moldings that were incorporated on the staircase. They are new moldings, but again, it ties into that historical charm. So we really wanted the same look and feel that we had in the parlor to incorporate up here on the second floor. This is becoming one of my favorite spaces right here at the landing of the staircase because there's so much space up here. And with these two huge skylights, it just floods a lot of natural light, and I can absolutely see this being a little lounging area with a chair here, maybe some really nice art, and the walls, they have been painted. We're doing that final coat still, so it's still kind of getting the look and feel, making sure everyone's happy with it. But I have to say, I'm loving the schoolhouse white up on the walls.
So we're in the primary bedroom, and we brought that picture frame molding into this room as well. This is going to be a nice little bedroom, and through these double doors, these are original to the house. These
are on the parlor floor.
They're on the parlor floor, so we reuse them here. So we love it anytime we have to remove something original. We either love to find a place for it in the home or in a different house, and so we're so happy we found a place here. So when you cross into this room, this is the primary closet. So we're gonna have a really nice primary closet here, and it has its own skylight, so that they're gonna have all this natural light when they're getting ready in the morning. And then as you come through here, we're in the primary bathroom. So also another skylight that is huge in this bathroom. It's gonna be so nice when they're getting ready. We have our vanity going in, and it might look a little bit low right now because we are putting a mitered up countertop on here. So it's gonna be about 6 inches deep, and it's gonna have the sinks integrated into the marble.
So at the end of the hallway on the second floor, we have an extra guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is a lot of fun. It has a gorgeous white and green clay tile. It's a 𝘽𝙊𝙇𝙊𝙒. We did a really fun stripe pattern. It's going to be complemented with a soaking tub. And then there's one of the cutest little vanities that we just sourced from 𝘽𝙊𝙊𝙉𝙎, just installed here. And this bathroom is really taking shape.
So the last room on the top floor is this little extra guest bedroom. So 2 really beautiful windows, really nice sized room, and you might be wondering, okay, this house only has 2 bedrooms. Not the case. Let's go downstairs. So we are now on the ground floor, on the garden floor of this house. It's a single family house, so it's all the same home. And down here, we have a few rooms to show you. First of all, when you first walk in here, we have this really great little coat closet. It's gonna be seamless with the wall here, so it'll kind of disappear. And then we have a flex bedroom space. So this is the 3rd bedroom in the house, but it's also a flex office, a flex workout space. It's gonna be great for lots of uses. And then as we walk back, we have a full bathroom. It has a stand-up shower. It's got some beautiful 𝘽𝙊𝙇𝙊𝙒 tile and a bright pop of green. Check out our vlog 3 if you wanna see it.
And then in the front, or actually in the back of the house, we have this room, and this is probably gonna be the biggest transformation from vlog 4 to vlog 5, because we are doing a super moody office bed in this space, and all of these walls are gonna be painted this really rich green. We're super excited, but we have the first stage going in, and we just outlined all of our moldings in here, so we are incorporating that 2nd and 3rd floor look and feel down here. But you gotta stay tuned for vlog number 5 to see the transformation of this space. It is gonna be one for the books.
So please like this video if you can, send it to your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for updates. We're gonna keep you updated on this project and all of our other ones.
We gotta get back to work. We'll see you on the next vlog. We gotta get this house ready for 𝘽𝙊𝙇𝙊𝙒, the homeowners. Bye everyone.